This is me, Owen, Gary, and Louie. I just met him and met her. So we're on a quest to find a werewolf. If we do, we get $75,000. Okay, so we're gonna come out and try to find it. So I'm gonna show everywhere. I have people surrounding us. We're trying to find it so much. And I got these cast members that I just asked to come. I'm not that famous. It's my first video. Well, I'm making a bunch of series about finding werewolves and vampires and all that crap. Okay. So, see her? Okay. So, there's everyone here. So, we're going to come out to find a werewolf. Come on, guys. Follow me.
I was telling our friends that this past Thanksgiving, the only thing that wasn't fried in the fryer
Hey, guys. Where'd you go? Get in here! Ah! Shoot him! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Nice.
Okay.
I like that.
Safe.
Hey, who's LSU playing tomorrow?
The door's open! What the crap? Okay.